Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can sign up into your online banking account of Wells Fargo. In order to have an access of your account detail on your device, you must sign up into your online banking account. In this video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So then, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.wellsfargo.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site, and over here the interface looks something like this. So you can see on the same page in the left hand side corner there is a login interface. In order to sign up, you'll have to tap on enroll in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, on the other page you will be directed into enrollment page, and you can see right in center you'll have to provide your information that is asked. First of all, you'll have to enter a social security number, and in case if you don't have social security number, so there is an alternative method. So you'll have to tap on I don't have this number, just tap on it. In case you don't have social security number, then the alternative is that you can either enter ITIN number or ATM card number. After you're done entering, next you'll have to enter either your card number or your loan number or an account number. So once you're done entering all your information, make sure to review it once again and then slightly scroll down and then tap on continue in the bottom right corner. So once you tap on continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to create profile ID or login information. So that includes your user ID and your password. And once you're done creating your user ID and your password, on the other page you will successfully sign up into your online banking account of Wells Fargo. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of Wells Fargo. That's all for this video. In case the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.